I just don't want her to get hurt.
No, he's reaching for things in the car. Pop the window, unlock it, and I'm dragging him out.
What is my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Get out now.
What's my crime?
Get out.
What's my crime?
You're gonna get tased. Get out now.
What's my crime? You. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
On July 13th, 2025, a seatbelt stop became a violent standoff when Shawn seized the driver's seat. Should police call for mental health experts or take control themselves?
Do you have a driver's license for me?
I do. It's in the back seat in my purse.
Okay, no, you can just stay here. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
I am not.
When he reached aggressively like that, I was concerned.
He's the registered owner of the vehicle. He has not slept in probably at least 24 hours.
Okay, I understand that, ma'am. You just have to understand, I can't see through your tinted windows, okay?
Yeah, it's the
But he was hanging out the window with no shoulder restraint on. So he probably put the seatbelt on when we pulled up.
I think he had it on. He probably, I don't know, he might have been underneath.
Yeah.
I was just trying to pay attention.
I understand. You're trying to be safe, and I get that. I understand that. Okay. For your safety and mine, okay?
Yes.
You said he's not slept. Is that why he was unseatbelted?
He's wearing a seatbelt, just not a shirt.
Okay. But is he 18 years old?
He's over 18.
Over 18. I just have to ask because the statute depends who the ticket goes to. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So, if that was the route we go, I'm not saying that's the way. But Mr. You're the registered owner, okay?
He's the registered
Oh, he is. Okay, that's what I was trying to get at.
Yeah.
All right, sit tight. Let me just check this out, okay? And I'll be right back with you. Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Okay, I will.
I won't ask you twice.
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. What are you talking about?
42, keep an eye on the passenger. Possible signal 20.
10-4. He's the one we're looking for this morning.
I'm in the car.
He's just trying to get out of the car, and I commanded him to stay. That's all.
Hey, sir, how you doing? What was that? I'm sorry.
It's okay. I was just volunteering at Matthew's Coco.
I was on the phone with you earlier. Melissa, right?
Yeah.
I can't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm the one who called to make sure that you were okay.
Yeah, I'm driving because he hasn't slept in a while.
So, Melissa,
If I want to be, I can.
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle because I need to speak with you, okay?
Okay.
I like 24 hours, and I do not need to be behind the wheel. I can't.
Okay.
I can get in the front seat.
I was just volunteering.
You can stay where you are, sir.
In the front seat, in my own car, in my own church. This is actually a church.
No.
This is a church.
27, you're going to want
Just
to
so
head
you
over
know,
here.
this is a church.
Okay.
This car is a...
Melissa, can you come over here?
It's your favorite.
I need to speak with her.
Non-profit church.
And I need you to stay in the car, okay?
Well,
Thank you, sir.
driver's seat, okay?
Go ahead.
He just jumped in the driver's seat.
Okay.
It's all right.
All right, Melissa, seriously, are you okay?
I am okay.
Step out of the vehicle for me, please, sir. Turn the vehicle off before you do so.
He is having probably another manic episode. This escalates when he feels threatened or he gets upset.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
What's my crime?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
What's my crime?
Sir, I'm
What's my crime?
I'm
What's my
Officer.
crime?
That's why I was just trying to get him here.
I'm Officer
What's my crime?
Stanley. I need you to. Hey, get the window breaker.
Where you got it at?
We're going to try to talk him out of the car.
He's very escalated.
I understand. Let me here. You want to just keep an eye so he doesn't run us over?
27, we're probably about to break the window. Shawn, open the door now. Resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yet, then open the door now.
No, I'm not.
If we have to break this window, you're going to jail.
Sir,
I'm going to jail.
is there?
I have not.
Sir, you are now resisting a law enforcement officer.
I'm not broken the law.
Is there anything I can say that would get you to get out of this car?
What is my crime?
The fight ended with shattered glass and an officer being assaulted. Does a mental health crisis excuse a violent battery? Or should the law demand a jail sentence, no matter what the suspect's mental state was at the time of the arrest?
This is the Signal 20 guy from earlier, from down on South 2nd that we did a well-being check on her and him.
He was the passenger. The lawful stop was for seatbelt on the passenger. Yeah. When she got out to speak with this officer, he jumped in the the driver's seat.
Resisting.
He's already had to be told to get back in the car. I'm afraid he's either going to drive off or drive over us. That was the reason for getting him out of the car.
Out of the car.
Do you think
Shawn, open the door?
He is resisting that lawful order? That makes me feel a little better.
Yeah, well, the problem.
Think she could talk him out, Bets, or would it be too dangerous?
Sarge, what are you doing?
Yeah, we're keeping an eye.
I don't know if you want to pop it on that side to unlock the door.
See if that back door's open just for grins. Good call, since that way he's sitting there.
No, it's locked.
Okay.
So pop it and unlock that door with a master. He's reaching for things in the car. Pop the window, unlock it, and I'm dragging him out. Do not reach for anything in that car. You will get shot.
Do you think she can talk him out?
I just don't want her to get hurt.
No.
What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Yeah, I'm getting it. What's my crime?
Get out now.
What's my crime?
Get out.
What's my crime?
You're going to get tased. Get out now.
What's my crime? You. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? 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 What's my crime?
Let go of my ankle.
What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
Turn over on your stomach.
What's my crime? 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 What's my crime?
Turn over.
What's my crime? What's my crime? Go ahead, chase me again.
Roll over on your stomach
What's
now.
my crime? What's
Come this
my
way,
crime?
Bets. We'll go this way.
What is my crime? Hey, Melissa, tape this. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
Turn over now.
Excessive force. Go ahead and tase me again, bitch. Go ahead. Yeah, use excessive force. Fucking eyes. And I still have my vape in my hand.
Put your arms behind your back.
There you go. There's one.
Anyway, I got it.
Hang on.
You got your cups?
Here's the left one.
Hang on.
You got it.
Roll over on your butt.
No.
My car's right
What
here.
is my crime?
Come on.
What is my crime? I can't see anything.
Get in the car.
I can't see, bro.
We're going to use some water in just a second.
Yeah, right.
Sit in the car.
Get in the car.
I can't see. Okay, well,
Sit in the car.
Sit down.
We'll get you wiped out.
Sit down.
SUV.
Yes.
Okay, bro. What the fuck?
Following the physical struggle, Shawn was transported to a secure psychiatric facility for a 72-hour evaluation before being booked into the county jail. The officer targeted during the assault required medical attention, but was cleared to return to duty after a brief recovery period. During the legal proceedings, the court took Shawn's mental health status into account, ordering a competency hearing that delayed the trial for several months. Ultimately, Shawn was sentenced to 2 years of community control and intensive mental health treatment, with a strict prohibition on possessing any weapons. The vehicle involved was impounded and searched, though no further contraband was discovered, leaving the heavy battery charges as the primary focus of his legal battle. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.